Good morning students, class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English literature lesson 3. This is its part 4th. Your topic is how the cat became. My dear students, I hope you all are well and ready with your book open before you to understand the story well. Just care here. In a previous video, I had told you that the cat has come to a man's farm to demand job for himself. Now, first of all, the man did not believe to his ear, but when he knew that the cat wanted a job for him perfectly, he told him that there is a job for him. What was the job? The man's farm was swarming with rats and mice, and they are in his hay stacks, in his corn sacks, and all over the pantry. So, before cat knew where he was, he had been signed on as a rat and mouse ratcher. His pay was milk, meat, and a place at the fireside. He slept all day and worked all night. My dear students, now as you know well, earlier the birds and the animals of the forest were requesting the cat to have a job. Now the cat got a job. Whole day he used to sleep and he used to work all night, and he got milk, meat as his pay, and a place was also given to him at fireside. At first he had a terrible time. The rats pulled his tail, the mice nipped his ears, they climbed onto rafters above him and dropped down thumb onto him in the dark. They teased the life out of him. Now, as you know, that very nutty creature is rats and mice. In the beginning, the rats used to nip and pull the cat's ears and tails, and because of misactivity dealt with the cat by the rats, the time of the cat was very terrible. Now, what happened next after that? Take care here. But the cat was a quick learner. At the end of the week, he could lay out a dozen rats and twice as many mice within half an hour. Now, the cat became addicted to catch the rats and mice, and within half an hour, he killed many. If he had gone on laying them out all night, there would pretty soon have been none left, and the cat would have been out of a job. Very intelligent mind has the cat. First of all, the cat thought that if he finished all the rats and mice in one night, there will be no work for him further. So he did not do so. He just caught a few each night in the first 10 minutes or so. Every day the cat started catching few every night. Then he retired into the barn and played his violin till morning. Very active-minded, very talented cat. used to satisfy his food by killing the rats according to his needs and for meat, and rest of the rats were left by him for the other days. And after satisfying his food by killing the rats, the cat used to play his violin in the barn till morning. This was just the job he had been looking for. Now, this funny job, this required job, was the willing of the cat. Willingly, the cat started doing his work as he was in demand of this every day. Now the cat started killing some rats, and then after taking food, used to play his violin as he liked earlier. Now what happened? Take care here. Man was delighted with him, and Mrs. Man thought he was beautiful. She took him onto her lap and stroked him for hours on end. As the rats were trouble for the man's family, so as the man knew that the cat started killing the rats, the man became very pleased. Delighted means happy. Write down. Delighted means happy. Delighted means happy. Now the man was happy to know that the cat started killing the rats, and Mrs. Man thought that he was beautiful. So the Mrs. Man starting to show affection. She took the cat in her lap and showed affection for hours on end. What a life, thought cat. If only those silly creatures in the dripping wet woods could see him now. Now, having such life, the cat is very happy and think that if those creatures would meet him, he would show his well and pleasurable life, who are dripping in wet woods presently. Now will see this luxurious life and will feel surprise for him. In this way, my dear students, in brief, you have to think that once upon a time the creatures of the forest were living together, and among them there was nutty creature who was known later by the name of cat, used to play his violin, never go out for food, but when other creatures praised and requested too much to this creature cat, the cat came to a man's farm, requested for a work for himself, and when the man told to catch the rats according to his need, according to the need for food, the cat started killing rats, and in the morning used to play violin and thought to show this pleasurable life to other creatures also. In this way, your story is finished. Some more regarding the lesson will be discussed later on. Thank you.